Alright, what's up guys? So in front of me is a box, obviously, of car parts, RX-7 parts. So we got some new tie rod ends. I don't know why they're unmarked boxes, but we got new tie rod ends because the steering was getting really bad. So we'll just take a walk outside. There she is. So the steering was getting pretty... Come on out, Moochie. The steering was getting pretty shaky, above 40 miles an hour, so the tie rod on that side is pretty jacked up. So, new tie rod. Yay! Alright, what's up guys? So the new tie rods are in, and I don't know if you can see, the steering wheel still kind of shakes. So we're going to be doing more videos about fixing this shaking problem, but you know, new tie rods are not bad, and you know, on to the next thing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you really liked it. I'll be back with more Rotary life very, very soon. See you guys.